check in with Boys and Girls Clubs of Canada and see what they've got cooking up for Kid Food Nation. Today, Andrea is making banana and ice cream with nothing more than a blender.
Different types of foods taste great together, and there is no better tool to unite them than the trusty blender. With a blender, the possibilities are endless. You can make a breakfast smoothie, you can make soup for lunch, and for dessert, you can make my personal fave, banana and ice cream. It's so simple and yummy. It's basically frozen bananas and your choice of toppings. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Get in there. You can be as messy as you want. I think you need a little bit more chocolate chips. I mean, come on. And because this is a Canadian version, let's add some maple syrup. Anyone got room for dessert?
Me! For more KFN fun, head to kidfoodnation.com, presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.